Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here with the iPhone XS Max, and this is actually a case that's on here, and it's something that's very special. I don't know if you've been on Instagram lately, but Caseology has been doing these promotions where they've been basically giving away their cases, and they've been doing that for, maybe this one was about $1.50. So what I did is I clicked the link. It sends you to an Amazon link with an Amazon coupon code, and most of their cases go from maybe $12, I think, all the way up to $20. And I was like, okay, maybe this is a scam because I've seen a lot of things that are like this. And I did one for every case that they had, and it ended up being maybe about 10 different cases. And I was like, maybe I'll be out of about $20. But they actually sent me the cases. And this has been pretty interesting, and I thought, okay, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these cases, but they actually did send the cases. Now they are in these kind of generic boxes. So this vault for iPhone, it doesn't even say that it's for the XS, but this is for the XS. But for instance, I did get this one here, which is my favorite case. And I don't remember the name exactly, but it's from Caseology, and if you're on Instagram long enough, it'll come up as one of the sponsored posts. And again, it showed up for, I think, maybe $1.50 or $1.60, and it does use Prime shipping, so this is completely free. And not free, but basically free. It's such a good option. This one here has a clear back, it has nice grippy sides, and it does feel like, it's going to protect the phone from, having nothing whatsoever around this. I got the phone without a case, and I was kind of worried about this because I got a pop socket, which has been great all on its own, but this just adds, a really good sense of security, and it does fit the phone. I mean, these were being announced before the phone came out, so they definitely had the spec sheet from Apple before that, but I'm really happy. And if you see one of these advertisements popping up on Instagram as a sponsored post, and you want a case, and you do have an Amazon account with Prime, go for it, because it did work for me. I ordered 10 cases, they all came through, so at least in this instance, they worked for the first week that they have it. Don't know what it's going to be going on, but this was a great deal, and if you can still get this, I'd say go for it. Alright, this is Matt for Creative, and we've been here with a Caseology case for the iPhone XS Max. Give it a try. See you guys next time.